Let's unbox the Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS200, or the Panasonic Lumix DC TZ200 as it's known internationally. This is a high-end point-and-shoot camera that sells for nearly $800. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing where I go over what's included in the box, and I'll have a full review video out soon. So without further ado, let's get started. The camera comes in some nice and compact packaging with a picture of the camera on the front. Inside of the box, we have warranty paperwork and several quick start guide pamphlets. We also have a nice braided lanyard, the battery which comes in at an impressive 1025 milliamp hours of capacity, the USB wall adapter, the micro USB cable, and finally, the actual Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS200 itself. The camera comes in black and silver. This camera is the successor to the Panasonic Lumix DMC-ZS100, which I will probably be buying soon so I can do a comparison between the two cameras. This camera has several features that really make it stand out. It has an amazing LEICA 15x optical zoom lens with a large 1-inch sensor, which means that you're going to be getting some really nice high quality images even with the optical zoom completely maxed out. You're able to record 4K video with this camera, which is great to see, and it features a viewfinder, which is really useful if you're shooting in a bright outdoor area and don't want to squint at an LCD screen. Wireless communication is included with this camera, so you can use both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to transfer photos and videos to your smartphone. You can do this using the Panasonic Image app, and it works for both Android and iOS devices. I've reviewed other Panasonic Lumix cameras in the past, and I've always been really impressed with them. In addition, I've had a lot of people comment, message, and email me letting me know about the great experiences that they've had with the cameras that I've reviewed in the past. So keep an eye out for my full Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS200, or like it's known in other markets, the DC TZ200 review. I'm going to be uploading test videos, vlogging tests, and comparison videos, so there's a lot to look forward to. And if you're wondering what SD card you should use with this camera to ensure that you're getting the best possible photo and video quality, then check out my SD card buying guide that's linked in the video description. But if you're ready to buy the Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS200 right now, then I would appreciate that you buy the camera through my Amazon affiliate link in the video description below, as it helps support what I do on the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.